Welcome home to remarkable landscaping, superior design, and a convenient location near shopping, schools, and the freeway. Inside, this incredible living room is filled with natural light. Vaulted ceilings, a wall of windows, and gleaming hardwoods complete the space. Clean lines and a neutral palette give a fresh feel to the kitchen, featuring solid maple cabinetry, sleek granite tops, a center island, and access outside for seamless entertaining. The kitchen opens into the dining room, creating this impressive great room. A brick fireplace and maple flooring make this family room comfortable and cozy, while sliding glass doors lead to the lower level deck. With a bedroom and three-quarter bath, the lowest level is ideal for a guest suite or nanny's quarters, or use the space for a playroom or personal gym. This master suite is a private getaway, complete with walk-in closet and picture window perfect for stargazing. Wind down with a relaxing whirlpool soak in the master bathroom. The separate shower and dual vanities are great for mornings. Outside, entertain on the two-tier deck or simply relax amongst hundreds of perennials and an impeccable landscape.